For medical device companies, driving near-term improvements in cash flow can be challenging. Taking design for manufacture to the next level, Rev1's ROI Squared identifies opportunities for cost savings throughout your entire manufacturing process. The pressure to commercialize new medical devices as quickly as possible does, in some instances, preclude the optimization of manufacturability at the time of device launch. For more than a decade, Rev1's approach to rapid operational improvement has delivered lower part counts, compressed assembly and cycle times, and reduced scrap rates, all driving dollars straight to your bottom line. In our experience, these projects pay for themselves in months, not years. In fact, for many companies, a $1 savings in cost of goods sold is the equivalent of $5 in incremental sales. Call now to learn how ROI Squared can contribute to your profitability and company valuation.